Hola, ¿qué tal? Bienvenido a Mexico. Welcome to Mexico. One of the, well, it's the highest altitude circuit of the year, so you're actually running super high downforce like Monaco type, but you get less drag than Monza. It's quite crazy. It's got some really big challenges, cooling down the brakes, the tires, the engine, the driver. There's very little oxygen at that altitude, so that is one of the trickiest Grand Prix of the year for the engine, the brakes, and so on. So it hasn't been easy the last few years to find the right balance, but some of the teams do well, and you can easily see some great performance out there. Oh, here we go. Very long straight line. Quite a late DRS zone. DRS on. We should have a really big top speed in Mexico. 325, 330. And big braking into turn 1. Quite a wide entry, so you can carry some good entry speed. But you want to make sure that on that second chicane, you get a good exit here. It's always super bumpy here. The guy goes round, round, round. But that's the way it is. And that's another DRS zone. So DRS. Not a big braking. That's quite a tricky section. So it goes here, and then it's super tight to the right hand side, and then you go again on throttle, so you ask a lot to the rear tires, and then you get that double apex, very low speed corners, and then off again on throttle, so rear tires having a tough time. Onto the fast section, and it's all about finding the right sweet spot with the car. That through that section the car can go understeer, oversteer, you don't really know, depending on the tires work. Same thing here, quite a high speed chicane. That is not a friendly curve. That is a terrible curve if you hit it in real life. Another DRS line. And then big braking, 90 degrees corner. And onto the stadium. It is a beautiful part. And we've got that hairpin here. I believe it's the slowest corner of the championship. Then you use a lot of curb here and the car keeps bouncing and difficult to go on throttle. The last corner, where you want to carry some good entry speed, but mainly you want to go early on throttle because, whoopla, that's a very long, very long straight line. So let's go for a lap now. Yes, open, 8th gear. 200, 150, 100. Into the fast section. It wasn't my best ever lap, but it's my first lap flat out. So I've got excuses. $200, $150, $100.